Hi, welcome to my channel. I am Belle and I create illustrations using Procreate to share with you tips on how to create your own illustration. Let's go ahead and open the app. First thing is to create the size of your canvas. I use an 11 by 14. If you want to see how to create a canvas from zero, leave me a comment down below and I can record a video explaining that. To add the picture, go to the branch tools, tap in add and then in insert photo. Once you have your photo, you can adjust it using the tool below, fit to canvas, or you can do it manually, dragging the picture with your fingers. First thing I do with the picture is to bring down the opacity so I can be able to work better on top of the picture. You can find this tapping the little squares icon on your top right corner. Now let's go ahead and create a new layer, tapping on the plus sign. On this layer, we are going to outline the face and neck. So let's pick a color for the skin. I have a palette created with different skin tones, but you can do it by picking up the color from the picture or manually looking for a similar color. I always like to use the syrup brush. You can find it under the inking brushes. As you can see, I am outlining all the face and neck. Once you have the shape completed, bring the color by dragging the circle on the right top corner to the inside of the shape and release it. Now, because the hand is very close to the face, I decided to create a new layer on top and choose a darker color to draw the hand. Now we are going to turn off these two layers. You do this by deselecting the layers and then let's create a new layer on top of the face layer to add the details of the face like the eyebrows, eyeliner, and eyelashes. On a new layer, we are going to outline all the hair. Remember, to fill in any shape, just drag the circle with the color you're using on the top right corner to the inside of the shape and release it. To add the shadows, create a new layer on top. Pick up the same color you used to draw the face and bring it a little darker. Now go over all the shadows you see on her face. This is the same process you can follow for any shadows or highlights you want to add to your illustration. your shadows, add another layer on top of the one you just created and bring the color you used for the first layer of shadow a little bit darker and go over the spots you see a darker tone of shadows. I like to create another layer for the nose holes and some parts of the ears that are typically darker than the rest of the face. For the lips, we are going to follow basically the same process, and the same for the nails and the shadows of the head. Now for the eyes, we are going to create a new layer where we are going to draw the white part. Then in another layer, we are going to add the brown circles, and in another layer, let's add the pupil. shadows and details too. Just add a different layer on top for that. For the cloth, add another layer and follow the same process for adding shadows. Add another layer on top of the hair to add highlights, and keep adding layers to add lighter highlights. Then I created new layers for the earrings, the shadows, and the highlights. Also, on different layers, I work on the hat. And lastly, to change the background color, go to the background layer, tap on it, and pick the color you prefer for your background. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to watch more videos like this. Leave a comment down below with any ideas or things you would like to see next. Thank you. Bye.